Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will discuss about how we can download how we can download Minecraft Java version. For downloading Minecraft, you just need to type Minecraft on your browser. Then click on the first link of Minecraft website. Then scroll down. After scroll down, you need to choose your edition. Like if you want to download Microsoft Legends or Microsoft Education. But we will learn about how we can download Minecraft Java and Bedrock. For downloading Minecraft, Java and Bedrock, you just need to click on Minecraft, first page link on Java and Bedrock. Then click on dig deeper. Choose your platform if you want to download for Windows, Mac, Linux, then click on buy now. If you want to download for Xbox, just need to click on this arrow button, and if you want to download for the PlayStation, just on I want to download for Windows, then I click on buy now option. You just need to pay the bill. After paying the bill, you will get the Minecraft easily. This is a simple tutorial about how we can download my Minecraft Java edition for your PC, Linux or Mac. Thanks for watching.